a nice little, we're going downhill. So that's even better because they're pulling me. Better when we're going uphill, because when we go uphill, it's like I don't have to put in much effort. Yeah, okay. I'm going to stop recording so I don't kill myself. The other way. Okay, let's go. There we go. Good job. Very good job. Okay, now I'm going to stop recording. This should be interesting. Oh, fuck, they're not pulling. I hear them. Hey, guys, 2 trees. Getting closer. Getting closer. Where are you two? I don't know if you can see them or not. They're really pretty. They're quite high this year, too. Rushing pretty good. Definitely sweating a little bit. Put a jacket on because the mosquitoes have been really bad, but I also doused myself in mosquito spray and they don't seem to be too bad, actually. So, anyway, back it off. Hold on. Much better. Better. We're climbing back up the hill again. We're back to the highway that we have to go across. I was just like, rush, 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 rush. And then there's like a dead calm there for a while. And then it's another big rush, rush, rush. Hold up for a second. Slows down. So this is where they used to send all the logs down, I guess, they pushed them to like a tour, like they had a tour guide or whatever on the trail. So they were explaining everything to us and it's really cool. Our kids loved it here. They still, hey, tree, look. We got a tree. Wes, you gotta move. Wes, one of you has to move. So there we have it. This is a dead calm here. Stop, you two. There's the bottom of the upper rapids.